Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the image you'll use. Choose a clear headshot with natural lighting so your face is recognizable. Once done, check the file type. JPG or PNG are standard, and make sure the file size meets the biodata limit, commonly under 2 MB. You should crop to include head and shoulders and keep a consistent aspect ratio, typically square or 16:9. Make small edits now like brightness and contrast, so the image looks professional before you move to upload. You next open the biodata form or document and find the photo placeholder or upload button. On desktop, this may be labeled Insert Picture, while on web forms it reads Upload. Click the control, select your prepared file, and wait for the preview to render so you can confirm framing and alignment. Make small adjustments, resize or recrop in the preview until it fits the designated box. Once satisfied, commit the change and move quickly to save the document or submit the form to avoid losing edits. You finish by saving a copy immediately. Export to PDF or save the document so the image is embedded and won't shift. After saving, open the file on another device or use the form's preview to confirm the picture displays correctly and isn't cropped awkwardly. If the upload fails, compress the file slightly, reduce dimensions, or switch between JPG and PNG. Sometimes clearing cache or trying incognito mode resolves web form glitches. If problems persist, re-export the image at a lower size and retry the upload.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.